it's Carmen, back with day 2 of my 100-day video series. And today I want to talk to you about gratitude and mindset. Just like Sifu got us started off with mindset. So you know those days you wake up just feeling super high and super grateful about everything? On the other hand, I know we don't all have days like that. Like some days you wake up and you just really don't feel like doing anything. And that's totally normal. So I'll share with you 5 tips and tricks that have really helped me when I really am not feeling so good, but I still need to dig deeper and find it in me to be grateful and get things done. So number 1, I feel like how you start off your morning basically sets your whole day. So essentially when I wake up, I do my gratitude journal, and all these gratitude exercises, it's a emotional, you have to feel it exercise, not just thinking of things or saying it out loud. It's really, you have to feel it all the way through. So I'll write down 5 things and I'll kind of go in the flow of things. So 5 to 10 things. I'm so happy and grateful now that I achieved this goal. I'm grateful for being alive today. Something very simple. If you can't even think of something, like you're alive, that's so rare to be alive, like no one robbed you of anything. Be grateful. So number 2, of course, I start off with attitude of gratitude meditation. I find that my day runs much more smoother if I just set aside 5 to 10 minutes to do a gratitude meditation, whether that's Tony Robbins, Bob Proctor, or attitude of gratitude. And then number 3, throughout the day, I keep this little rock with me everywhere I go. I put it in my pocket. So when I'm getting ready to go somewhere, I put it in my pocket and then I'm feeling it then. Sometimes I get cold, put my hands in my pocket, I feel it then. At the end of the day, you empty out your pockets, you feel it then. Every time I feel the rock, I think and feel something I'm very grateful for. And number 4, stuff happens, right? So let's say somebody did something negative to you, or I don't know, something happened to you, and it's easy for us to get reactive over it and have our emotions take over. But just in those few seconds, when you feel it coming up, just stop and think to yourself, is this useful? Number 1. And then, yes, something bad happened, like someone ran into my car, blah, blah, blah. I could complain all day about it, but instead look for the greatness in it. And I know it's hard, but that's why you need to train your brain to make it much easier. And I say easier because it's, it'll always be kind of hard. But I would say if someone ran into my car or something, okay, I'm grateful, I'm alive. Simple as that. And then number 5, I feel like words of affirmation to other people really brings up your frequency a lot. So just something simple like, thank you. I'm really grateful for you, brother, for helping me out with this. And the more you say it, the more you're putting it in your head and also someone else's head. And with that, everyone you come in contact with, say you make their day, you did something great to them, then everyone else's day that they come in contact with is gonna have a positive effect, and so on and so forth. So I feel like gratitude not only goes a long way for yourself and your success, but also for other people and the world. Yeah, this is getting really corny, but I really hope you enjoyed this video, and comment down below what you do to bring up your gratitude. And I'm really grateful for you for watching this and grateful for you in general. Hope you have a wonderful day and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.